and was grateful for every gift he visited the sick and prayed for them. Ya Allah, give me the chance to see. Allah, guide me to worship you like Him. Ya Allah, give me the chance to see. Allah, guide me to worship you like Him. Our Prophet never cared for the luxuries of life. He lived modestly with a mat of straw and a pillow filled with leaves. His home was very simple. He never complained, he was always thankful and cared more for Akhirah. I should thank Allah for my blessings.